Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that I am filming a full-fledged YouTube video after such a long time. For the past 4 months, I was just filming YouTube shorts, and that too I was so irregular with. I know you guys must be very pissed, but do not worry, I am back and I am filming this on the day of Dhanteras. So happy Diwali to all of you guys. This Diwali, a lot of things has changed, of course, if you have not noticed, like my hair has changed. I've gotten a new haircut. Do let me know if you like it or not. But apart from that, I also thought that I should go ahead and experiment with a little bit of makeup. And that is why I got a lot of stuff from Purpple's Diwali sale. Yes. So I have a few things. I won't say like a lot of things, but I have a few things that I want to share with you guys. So let's get started. And yeah, let's get started. First thing that I got is this concealer, if you can see. So this is Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. I got it in the shade Warm Sand and it is a little dark for me. So I am pretty tan, but I thought ki chalo tan hu to ye sahi hoga, but no, this is a little tan for me. And the MRP for this is, I guess, 229 rupees, but obviously I got it on sale, so the prices will be there on screen. It is a really nice concealer, I must say, because as you can see, I have like a lot of dark circles, but kuch nahi dikh raha hai, so I really like this. So the second thing that I got is, iske sath to matlab dhoka ho gaya. I thought कि I'll get this primer like in a big size, the original size. But ये आया तो इतना सा था. I don't know, मतलब I have to check. But yeah, I think I bought a छोटू primer. This is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, and this is how tiny the tube is, if you want to compare it, So yeah, but this is like a really nice primer. I used it today for this look and it's nice. I mean, I do not have a lot of things to say about it. This chotu sa tube, 10 gram ka tube, is for 299 rupees. Again, MRP pe to mat hi lena isko. If you can get it on sale, well and good if you just want to try it. Otherwise, do not get this on a MRP. So the next thing is this Le Bon's Anti-Frizz Serum for rough and dry hair. I have not used this yet. Of course, as you can see, ये अभी भी packaged है. मैंने खोला भी नहीं है. So I will use this and let you know in my YouTube shorts. So if you want to check it out, you should subscribe to the channel. Go subscribe. And please help me to hit 1,000 subscribers. I am really hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And yeah, it will mean a lot to me. Go ahead, subscribe. The next thing that I got is this NY Base BB cream with SPF 15. I will say that this is a really nice BB cream. I mean, firstly, it comes with a lot of shades, and secondly, I have used it on my face and I feel like I have used nothing. It is that lightweight. I really like the packaging as well. Like, it's so sleek. It looks very rich, if I have to say. Again, this was for 220 rupees. Obviously, do not get this on MRP. Please go ahead. वैसे भी Purplle पे there is always sale, so go ahead and get this on sale. And yeah, concealer लगाने के लिए brush तो चाहिए ना, so I got one. And this is from Cuffs & Lashes. F011 is, I think, the brush number, and it's a good brush. I used it to blend my concealer, and yeah, it's nice. It's a good thing. I got this for 200 rupees, if I am not wrong. So the next thing is not makeup related. This is actually lemongrass 100% pure essential oil. Honestly, I love the smell of this lemongrass oil, and so I got it because I think it's very soothing. And जब भी मुझे headache या कुछ भी होता है ना, मैं ऐसे सूंघती हूँ, and it's just very good. So you guys should give this a try. I mean, मेरी recommendation है ये. Please give this a try. So as you can see, I'm getting into a little bit of makeup these days, and makeup लगाने के लिए you need makeup tools. So I got this, a booty blender. This is from NY Bay. And I really like this. It's in hot pink color. I have not used this as of now, but I will definitely use it and let you know. It is very soft, by the way. So yeah. So lastly, I have two things. First, I would like to talk about this mascara. This is from Faces Canada. Magnetic Eyes Dramatic Voluminizing Mascara. And it is really nice. As you can see, the wand. It's really pretty. And I've used this today on my eye. So yeah, it's nice. It is very lengthening, volumizing, itna nahi hai, but it works for I think 300 rupees. It's not bad. लगाने के बाद makeup को हटाना भी होता है obviously. So I got this Garnier's micellar water. I have not used this yet, but it says new formula, so maybe कुछ changes हुए हैं. I will try it and maybe let you know in my YouTube shorts how it works. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And of course, I will be posting. Trust me, I'll be posting from now on, and there will be a lot of hauls, a lot of fashion videos, a lot of makeup videos coming on to your way. So wait for it, okay? And a lot of food videos as well. I mean, I think you guys love my noodle videos. So yeah, wait for it and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!